Hey guys, welcome back to 5 Minutes with your doc. You know, the first episode, the introductory episode, went very well. I got a lot of positive feedback. So I just want to say thank you to everybody who left comments. And it looks like this is going to be a hit. So, as promised, today we're going to talk about lip augmentation with dermal fillers. Stay tuned, I'll give you a crash course in it. So, Doc, what is dermal filler? Well, dermal filler is hyaluronic acid, which is a natural substance found in your body. And if you look at the diagram right here, you can see that in the extracellular matrix, collagen fibers, proteoglycans, and hyaluronic acid create the substrate that your cells live and grow upon. So, who is dermal filler for? Who gets this? Well, lips come in all shapes and sizes, and beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So it's important for you to have a discussion with your doctor about what you find beautiful in lips. Now, the largest growing population who are getting lip fillers are the 20-somethings. They want those beautiful Hollywood-style lips. Another subset of the population that are getting dermal filler in their lips are older individuals who have those perioral rhytids that we talked about last time. Those are your smoker's lines. In this portion, let's jump into a brief surface anatomy of the lips. It's important when discussing this further to kind of know what we're chatting about. So as you can see to my right, your left, the very first thing that we look at here are the philtral columns. Those are these ridges that extend down into what's known as your Cupid's bow, which is that nice little sexy M shape that you have on your upper lip. The next thing indicated here is your vermilion border. That's the transition between the mucosa of the lips and your skin. Afterwards, you have the tubercles of the upper lip. There are 3 of them, 2 on each side laterally and 1 in the middle. And on your lower lip, you've got 2 tubercles, and they're larger than the ones on the upper lip. These then show the oral commissures, which are the sides of your mouth. At this point, let me introduce you to one of my patients. This is a early 30-year-old female who came to me with complaints that her upper lip was just too thin. And as you can see in the image there, she even has some asymmetry. When you look at that Cupid's bow and the peaks on either side, they don't line up the way they should. And she has a little bit more fullness in the right side than she does in the left. Also, that lower lip, it's beautiful, but you can see that there are some pretty deep wrinkles on either side from volume loss, and that it doesn't have that full pout that you might look for. So what I did was I treated her with Juvederm Ultra XC. This is a product that's specifically designed for the lips to add fullness but still be flexible enough in order to create real, authentic gestures like a smile and have it look natural, which is really important. And here are the results. Look at how much fuller her lips are. Look at how beautiful and distinct that Cupid's bow is. Not only did this filler bring it out and up, but we were able to create a very distinct margin along that vermilion border, which is what you do in this procedure. You come right along the vermilion border and you create a very sharp definition, a pop in those lips. In her lower lip, you can see that those large wrinkles from before on either side are now smoothed out, and she has a fuller pout in her lips. Now you tell me, those don't stack up nicely when compared to the 20-year-old model lips. I think it's fantastic. She looks great, and every time I see her, I tell her so. Well, that about wraps up this episode of 5 Minutes with your doc. Thank you for joining me today, and if you have any questions, please feel free to visit our website at titanhealthdpc.com. And if you're interested in lip augmentation, dermal fillers, or direct primary care, give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye, guys.